the latest collection of Instagrammable front garden design ideas. Welcome to a world of garden inspiration that will take your front yard from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, this video is a must-watch. Transform your front yard into an Instagram-worthy oasis with our curated collection of the hottest garden design ideas. Looking to elevate your home's curb appeal? You've come to the right place. In this video, we've gathered the most stunning and trendy front garden designs that are guaranteed to make your neighbors jealous. Whether you're a fan of modern minimalism, cottage charm, or wild and whimsical landscapes, we've got inspiration to suit every style and budget. Our expert tips and DIY hacks will help you achieve the garden of your dreams without breaking the bank. Join us on a visual journey through a stunning array of front garden designs that are bound to make your neighbors stop and stare. From modern and sleek to rustic and charming, we've got something for everyone. In this video, you'll discover stylish contemporary front yard landscapes, quaint cottage garden ideas, bursting floral displays, and colorful planting schemes, low-maintenance greenery options, creative DIY garden projects, sustainable gardening tips, chic and contemporary front garden designs, cozy cottage-inspired landscapes, lush greenery and tropical paradise ideas, colorful and low-maintenance flower bed concepts, sustainable and eco-friendly gardening tips. Whether you're looking for ideas to revamp your front garden or just seeking inspiration for your dream outdoor space, our carefully curated collection has got you covered. Don't miss out on the chance to turn your front yard into a show-stopping masterpiece. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, our ideas and insights will guide you every step of the way. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in garden design trends. Your dream garden awaits.